मॉडलिंग करती थी, तो मैंने भी एक ऐसा ही फैशन वीक के लिए ऑडिशन दिया था एंड इवेंचुअली मैं सेलेक्ट हुई थी। तो आज जब मैं वहाँ पर जजेस की जगह पर बैठी थी तो आई कुड फील कि मॉडल्स के दिल में अभी क्या चल रहा होगा एंड हाउ हैप्पी दे मस्ट बी। जितनी भी मॉडल सेलेक्ट हुई हैं उनको कितनी खुशी हो रही होगी। आई कैन टोटली रिलेट टू एवरीथिंग दैट दे वर गोइंग थ्रू, सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस। आई थिंक ऑल द मॉडल्स जितनी भी मॉडल्स सेलेक्ट किए हैं दे ऑल हैव समथिंग दैट दे गोना ब्रिंग टू द रैम्प एंड इसी रीज़न से हमने उन्हें सेलेक्ट किया है। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो एक रैम्प मॉडल में होनी चाहिए वो होती है कॉन्फिडेंस, जो इन सभी लड़कियों में है। सो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट।
Well, Lakme Fashion Week is one of the biggest international shows, not only in India but world over, and it definitely provides a huge platform for models in India. For the simple reason, as I said, these shows go online and are watched by billions of viewers, millions of people online. Not only Indians but all international agencies, modeling agencies, international buying houses. So this is a great platform to be recognized as, and it is a privilege for the models to be at this show. It is definitely on the lines of any international show, so it's a great platform. Yes, I will be showcasing my collection. It's going to be a very exciting collection. Since I missed the last season, I am making sure that this collection is something that people are really like a mainstream.
It's great because Lakme Fashion Week is one of the best fashion weeks that we have in the country, and it's very prestigious for any model to be able to walk for Lakme Fashion Week. And I think all the models who have got this opportunity are lucky and they're going to go places. I am not actually commenting on anything about work here right now because I'm here to here for Lakme Fashion Week, but I just would like to second it again that yes, I think Saif is a great guy and a very good actor. I'm a fan of his.
Showstoppers, I want to do something different and a little, unusual. So I'm thinking of having actually a few male celebrities and actors who would, I think, come on the list of being lustful. So I wanna kind of change things around. I don't want people to come and expect the show to be how they expect it, but to be something different and unique. So I'm thinking, since we already have gorgeous 16 models, it would be great to have male celebrity who India lusts for in different fields of their lives, musicians, actors, artists, painters. I think it'll be interesting, and I do plan to show them in, I have never done menswear, but I will be designing menswear for these few celebrities, maybe 6, 7 or whatever.
Judging बहुत tough है because all the girls are so good that it's very difficult to be able to select that only a few of them. बहुत eliminate करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Actually all the designers that are selected by Lakme to showcase their stuff are all very talented. So the one part of it that I really look forward to is the Gen X designers, which are the new ones, because it's always nice to see what the new designers have and what they have to offer. Yeah, there's a couple of things, but like I said, I can't talk about work here right now. We're here for Lakme Fashion Week, and let's wish them all the best.